Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Patricia. Last week I uploaded a video on my luxury sneaker shopping, and today I'm going to share the unboxing video and I will share my review with you. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. DSW sent me these shoes in a big box and it took about 4 days to get here. I think that there is a DSW close to my house, that's why it was very fast. Like any other high-end brands, the packaging is good and they have this little care guide book, so I always read this. Let's look at the booklet a little bit. These are leather shoes and they advise not to use in aggressive cleaning, such as washing and in a washing machine or using stain remover, which may cause premature wear and a loss of color. Okay, I will not do that. What I'm gonna do is, if they're dirty, I'm gonna wipe it with microfiber cloth and I will wipe the bottom too. These shoes come with 2 dust bags, and Gucci shoes and bags, they come in same type of dust bag and they feel very soft. The shoes were wrapped in big plastic bags, but I'm not gonna keep in the plastic bag. After I take them off, I'm gonna keep them in the dust bag and in the box, since I don't have any shoe display area in my house, so I'm gonna do that for now. The shoe came with this sign which says remove only after sale. So does it mean that if you put this on and if they don't fit you, you cannot return? I don't know, I'm not sure. Let's hope for the best. To be honest, when I looked at this, I was just hoping that they fit us. Now let's talk about the shoes. Here it is, very pretty. They're made up of smooth calfskin. These shoes are chunky and very pretty, and here there is a Gucci logo here and the serial number is inside. The serial number is in here. When I bought these shoes, I didn't notice that to one side the Gucci starts from the heel side and ends here, and to the other side the Gucci logo starts from here. So when you walk on them, to one side it's gonna look like this and to the other side it's gonna look like this. So they're so cute, pretty. These sneakers are medium width, and like other designer sneakers, they also run half a size big, but I have narrow feet, and when I put this on with thin socks, I saw that there was a 0.75 inches of gap in here, which is not bad at all, but I could literally fit perfect with the help of the leash. And you know, over the time when the day goes by, your feet are hanging all day and there's a chance of having swell feet, so I will have extra room for that, so they're so perfect for me. And when I traveling, it's like usually long journey for like 18 or 25 hours, so I think that they will be great if you're traveling. I like to wear sneakers when I work out, when I walk, when I run, and when I travel. The men's sneakers, they also come with same packaging, and like women's sneakers, here the Gucci logo starts from the heel section and to the other side the Gucci logo ends to the heel section. When you will walk on them, they're gonna look like this and this. The sole of the sneakers, they look very pretty and they look very durable, and there's a Gucci sign here and it says made in Italy. Like women's sneakers, the men's sneakers are also medium width, and my husband has wider feet and luckily they fit him perfect. So if you're planning to buy the sneakers, if you have narrow feet, you can go down by half size, or you can buy true to size if your feet tend to swell over the time. And if your feet are medium width, then you can buy true to size, and if your feet are wider, then you can go up by half size. They will fit you perfect. Shoe size also depends on the width of your feet, so if you know your size, you can buy online. If you're confused about your size, then you can go to the store, try them on, and then you can purchase your shoes. I was so excited for the sneakers, and we wore them for 2 days already, and we walked on them for 1.5 hours, and we walked on rough road, rocky places, and I'm not gonna lie, I have a little bit of scuff mark here to the side. Here I have slightly scuff mark here. It's not that bad. The back looks good, and to my other pair there's a scuff mark here and here, and the bottom looks like this. So that was the wear and tear about my shoes. And for my husband's, I want to show you that he drove 7 hours in those 2 days. So I want to show you, since he drove, there was visible mark here, but I don't know over the time how it like dissolved, and scuff mark here, so it is obvious to have marks in this area. Overall, they look good. So that is wear and tear about our shoes, and that happened in 2 days. Overall, I'm very happy with the wear and tear. When I got home, I cleaned them with microfiber cloth and cleaned the bottom too. These shoes are very comfortable. When I walked on them, I felt so good. I felt so comfortable. These sneakers are so pretty, so beautiful, and so attractive. So if you wear like a $5 of legging and a $5 of tank top and these shoes, still you're gonna look very bougie, very attractive, very, very beautiful. Actually, to look attractive, you don't need to wear like all the name brands all over the body. You just need to pick the right thing, whatever you like, whatever suits you, whatever looks good on you. That's it. I say that I saved $650. Actually, I was wrong. I saved $730. So yes, these sneakers are so beautiful. They're calfskin, they're amazing, and I am hoping to have a lot of wear out of it. I'm very excited about these sneakers. Look wise, I will give the sneakers 5 out of 5, and comfortable wise 5 out of 5. So if you're planning to buy luxury sneakers, then I highly recommend Gucci Rython sneakers. And don't forget to check DSW website because there is a sale going on, so you can save a lot of money and you can buy your designer sneakers. And yes, I highly recommend Gucci Rython sneakers, and I am 1000% happy with my purchase. So that's all for this week. I'm gonna wrap up now. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you have any question about these sneakers, please let me know in comments below. I will get back to you, and I will see you next week. Bye.